One of the limitations of using Notion on your iPad is the lack of support for handwritten notes. There are a couple of options out there. You could write down these notes in your favorite apps and then export them into Notion, or you could copy your sketch directly into a Notion page as an image. But all of these are time consuming, right? And then they require manually grabbing something and putting into Notion. Today, I want to show you how to do all this automatically and turn your Notion into a handwritten journal. First things first, you download this app called Shorthand, which is an iPad app. You can sync up to 10 notes completely for free in Notion. Once downloaded, you need to connect Shorthand to your Notion account, and then choose a Notion page with databases that you want to use. If you don't have one or want to start fresh, you can choose the free templates included with Shorthand. I actually recommend this option to test it out at first. You can always change this later. Now that Notion is all set up, you need to configure a notebook and decide where in Notion you want it to sync. I'm choosing Quick Notes since it came with a template. Alright, now let's sync some handwritten notes. This is a sample note that I just finished writing. I can now tap on Sync to Notion on the top right, and Shorthand will automatically create a new page in Notion, populate it with my note, and create a transcription, which then I can use to search or continue working on it in Notion itself. For example, I like to use Notion AI to summarize my notes or understand my thinking pattern. And get this, every time I make a change to the note in Shorthand, the app will automatically update the image of that note and the transcription within Notion, so it's always up to date. And that's pretty much it. Now go try it yourself.